Welcome to my channel. Today, I will introduce you 3 VPNs that you can use for free on Windows and MacOS. First, let's understand what a VPN is. When you browse the internet, use social media or send emails, etc., your internet traffic and personal information can be monitored and recorded by others. VPN, Virtual Private Network, is a secure and private connection that encrypts your network traffic and hides your real IP address, thus protecting your privacy and security. There are many benefits to using a VPN, including 1. Privacy information protection. When you use a VPN, your real IP address is hidden and replaced with a virtual IP address provided by the VPN, which prevents your network activity from being tracked and recorded by others. 2. Encrypt your network traffic. VPNs can keep your information secure by encrypting your network traffic, which prevents hackers and spyware from stealing your personal information. 3. Access geo-restricted content. Some websites and services may restrict access to users in specific geographic locations, but by using a VPN, you can simulate your location and access restricted content. 4. Secure public Wi-Fi networks. Public Wi-Fi networks are often insecure and vulnerable to hacking and surveillance, but by using a VPN, you can keep your data and devices safe. In short, using a VPN can protect your privacy and security and provide the ability to access restricted content. If you care about network security and privacy protection, then using a VPN is important. Keep watching this video as I introduce you to 3 secure VPNs that you can use for free. Greenhub is a free-to-use VPN application. It is available for Windows, MacOS. It is secure, stable and fast. Let's go to the official website of Greenhub and click here, Download. Here you will see the versions for Windows and MacOS. Each version has 3 lines. Choose any one to download. After successful installation, you can choose the type of routing, which is divided into smart routing and global routing. You can also see the nodes with diamond logo for Pro Plan. Free users can use the academic nodes here. Click on it to connect, and then click the break button to disconnect. 2. AdGuard VPN. Support for site-specific connection nodes. Support for multiple devices. Use your own proprietary fast and secure protocols. Support unconditional refund within 30 days of purchase. We come to the website, choose the client that suits your device, and click Download. After installing and opening AdGuard VPN, as a free user you will see a free node that you can connect to, with a limit of 3 GB of traffic per month. The locked node below requires paid access. Click Connect. You will see a successful connection sign. Clicking again will disconnect the link. In addition, AdGuard VPN has an exclusion feature which allows you to connect to the sites you need to connect to individually when you select it. This feature can help free users to save free traffic every month. Windscribe. Encrypt your browser's behavior. Block all ads. Over 60 country nodes. Compatible with 10 devices. Click the Download button at the top right and select the version applicable to your device to download. After installation, you will need to register an account. Free users have 2 GB of traffic available each month. After logging into your account, you can select any node to start using it. These are the 3 best free VPNs in my opinion, and they are all very secure. If you don't want to pay to use a VPN, I first and foremost recommend Greenhub because it doesn't limit free traffic. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. It's very important to me.